The carrier-based obturation method has become very popular in recent years and increasing over the last decade and a half since it was first introduced by Dr. Ben Johnson in 1988. One of Dr. Johnson's disciples, Giuseppe Canto, and I might add Stephen Nemzek and Bill Henson, have kind of led the way internationally, helping colleagues better appreciate the completeness of this method of obturation. Carrier-based obturation methods are specifically relevant in longer roots, smaller diameter canals, and more curved roots.